In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mockups in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your design onto a real-world surface so it looks convincing, polished, and ready to share. Start by opening Canva and going to your design. This is the file that contains the artwork, logo, label, or screenshot you want to showcase. Keep everything you need visible in the editor so you can move smoothly between your base image and your design. Next, select a clear photo with a flat surface. Think of items like a coffee mug face on, a laptop lid, a notebook cover, a framed print, or a box top. The flatter and cleaner the surface, the better the result. Good lighting, minimal glare, and a straight-on angle will help Canva understand where your product should sit. If you're choosing from images you already have in your project, pick the sharpest one with clear edges and minimal clutter around the object. Click the image to highlight it, then choose Edit Photo. If you don't see it, the Effects option works as well. In the panel that opens, click Apps, navigate to the Mockups app, and select Create Your Own Mockup. This is where the magic happens. Canva's AI will analyze the image to identify surfaces that make sense for product placement. You'll see outlines or regions appear over areas it thinks are suitable, like the front of a book, a phone screen, or a blank label. If the detection looks off, it usually means the photo is angled too sharply or the surface is too glossy or textured. A clearer, flatter image typically gives the best results. Now select the design you want to place. With the target surface identified, drag and drop your design onto that highlighted area. You'll see it snap into place. Use the Smart Crop tools to trim any extra edges without cutting into the important parts of your design. Then fine-tune with alignment to center, nudge, or rotate so everything lines up naturally with the object's edges and orientation. Subtle adjustments go a long way here. Zoom in, watch the corners, and make sure logos don't hug the margins too tightly. If the surface has a slight perspective, match that angle so your design follows the same direction. Scale slowly to avoid stretching, and keep proportions locked so the design doesn't warp. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.